What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop any video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Okay, before we begin, make sure you have your video all loaded up in a new project and everything. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go up to the top here and click the editing tab. And then we need to select our video by clicking on it. And here, now we're in the effect controls. Go down to the little search bar down here and just type in crop. This plugin pops up under transform, so you want to drag and drop it onto your video. Now we have the crop effect on top of our video, so we can go ahead and grab it and resize it ourselves, or we can adjust the left, right, top and bottom percentages right here, like this. Okay, so say if you wanted to create an animation so the top and bottom come down over a period of a few seconds, what you can do is just create a keyframe at the start of the animation. Go to the point in which you want the animation to end. Select the exact crop that you want. Alright, so now if we play the video back, the screen should collapse. And there we go. So that was easy enough. I'm actually going to go ahead and delete the crop effect now, because I'm going to show you the second method in which you can crop, which most people regard as a better method because you get more creative freedom. Under the opacity effect, you want to select the pen tool and you want to draw a box around your video. I mean, you don't have to, but for demonstration purposes, that's what I'm doing. Make sure mask 1 selected, and then we can edit the crop of our video. So you might be able to see why people like this effect a bit better, because you've basically got the freedom to do whatever you want. And you can create an animation with this effect as well by, at the start of your crop, just selecting the keyframe of the mask path and go to the point in which you want your animation to end, and then select mask 1 and edit the crop. So I'm just going to slice it in half like that, and we're going to play that back. There we go. So that is it for this video. If it did help you, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you want to support the channel, consider donating to the Bitcoin wallet in the description, and that is it from me guys. Peace out.